Good morning.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. No DP should be on with video. Only your face, I should say.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Morning.
Morning, morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Only 33 had joined. I'm just waiting one more minute. Then I'll take the attendance and we'll start some extra questions.
Yes, ma'am.
I haven't given you any extra question on lines and angles, triangles, nothing.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
So I will be giving you some questions from quadrilateral as well as from, okay, first of all, let me take the attendance and then I will talk to you.
Ma'am, you will
Yes, ma'am.
give from
And
lines
while
and
giving me
angles or
attendance on your video,
Okay.
put your mic and then unmute when you speak.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Section C, I'll start with. Today is 7th, start. Anindya? Anindya? Are you there? Regularly says absent. Aparna?
present, ma'am.
I can't see your face. Okay, I could see you. Haripriya? It's Harapriya, it seems. Harapriya?
I'm absent.
Absent. Any idea if you have any connection with her? Just ask, because from the very first day she is absent. First till sixth, every 7th she is absent. Lagnajit?
Ma'am, present. Ma'am, present.
Okay. Manisha?
Present, ma'am.
Nivedita? Nivedita? Pratyusha?
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka Sahu?
Present, ma'am.
Rima? Saloni? Saloni is absent. She is not yet joined. Okay, let me see. Sadanjali? Sneha Nayak?
Present, ma'am.
I couldn't see your face. Shubhra Sweta?
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Surabhi?
Present, ma'am.
Persisting dear.
Sushri Sharmista? Tamanna Behra?
Present, ma'am.
You are absent yesterday? Only 46 have joined yet. Vijeta?
Present, ma'am.
Abhash?
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Adhikari?
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Om Pradhan? Anshu Manti?
No. Present, ma'am.
Anshuman Pradhan?
Present, ma'am.
Asutosh Aryaman?
Present, ma'am.
Asutosh Dhupal?
Present, ma'am.
Atman Chintak? Ayush Khes?
Present, ma'am.
Bhupesh,
Present, ma'am.
Vishwaranjan, Hare Krishna,
Present, ma'am.
Harshit.
Present, ma'am.
Yesterday you were absent. Now, Jaydev,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Mukesh. Who are the two children? Harshit. Harshit, I marked. Jaydev also present. Mukesh.
Present, ma'am.
Mukesh, show your face. Okay, okay, I could see. Nirmal,
Present, ma'am.
not your DP. Stay on. Piyush,
Present, ma'am.
Pratyush,
Present, ma'am.
Roshan,
Present, ma'am.
Satyam,
Present, ma'am.
Sumit, Shaplas. Shaplas, are you there?
Present, ma'am.
Vinay, Vinay, Priyadarshini. It's a new entry or what? Priyadarshini there? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sambhavi, now going to section F. Sambhavi,
Present, ma'am.
Ruchi,
Present, ma'am.
Jigyasa,
मुझे देखना कि नहीं
Jigyasa.
Or
Mute your
APG
mic. Those who are not supposed to talk to me, mute your mic, children. Jigyasa. S. Haripriya. Anubhav Malik. Abhishek Mishra.
Present, ma'am.
Who? Anubhav Malik present. Show your
Yes,
face.
ma'am.
Okay,
Anubhav Malik.
okay, okay. Abhishek Mishra. Haripriya join now. Okay. Abhishek Mishra. Atirup Mishra.
Present, ma'am.
Anshuman Sahu.
Present, ma'am.
Romya Ranjan.
Present, ma'am.
Raunak Jajaria.
Present, ma'am.
Rupam Bhaiya. Rupam, are you there? Jagdish.
Present, ma'am.
Jigyasa Mishra joined. Okay. Jagjit.
Present, ma'am.
Rupam not yet joined. Varun.
Present, ma'am.
Jaydev.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Now only Rupam not present, Abhishek Mishra, then Priyadarshini Dal, Vinay Bagh, Shumit Behra, Anindya Panda, Harapriya Naik, Nivedita Das, Rima Panna.
Ma'am, I'm present.
Who?
Ma'am, I'm
Who?
Nivedita Dash.
Present, ma'am.
Nivedita, show your face.
Ma'am, Anandya also present.
Where are you, Nivedita? On your video.
No, Abhishek also present.
Okay, okay. I like to see your face. Harapriya is present? No?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then Anindya.
Abhishek Mishra, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Anindya, I'll call you again. Don't worry.
Present.
Anindya, can I see you? Because regularly I'm marking you absent. Anindya. Okay, fine. Where is your school uniform with this formal uniform? Come with your proper school uniform to the class. I hope it's clear to you, Anindya.
Yes, ma'am.
Then coming to Rima. Rima, are you there? No.
No, ma'am.
Pradhanjali,
No, ma'am.
Surabhi? No. Sushri?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Surabhi present.
Show your face. Surabhi is present.
Ma'am, Aditya Pradhan also.
Sushri Sharmista? No. Then Aditya Om Pradhan. Then Atman.
Ma'am, he left the class.
Now total 40.
Ma'am Aditya, ma'am Atman present.
Atman, show your face. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Vishwaranjan Eka. Vishwaranjan, no. Now total with 48 will be started. I think from section F, out of 14, 12 are present, only Abhishek Mishra absent and Rupam Bhuya absent. And from section
Abhishek Mishra is present, ma'am. Abhishek Mishra is present.
Abhishek Mishra,
Ma'am, his mic is not working.
okay. Abhishek Mishra, you can type if you are present. If some problem from your side. That means 13 from section F, and out of 41 section C, you are lucky enough, continuously you are getting the first period. First we'll go to the questions from NCERT book, what we discussed yesterday, number 8 to number 12. Any doubt for any question? You all are with the book?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt from 8 to 12?
No, ma'am.
No? Will I
No,
give
ma'am.
some questions which already we have covered but not discussed anything extra? I'll give you something
ma'am.
extra. Lines
Yeah,
and
ma'am.
angles. I'll start with 3-4 days we will discuss now. After this 8.1 we'll again continue after doing some extra question because we have started, so I was continuing. Am I clear? Now
Yes, ma'am.
I'll keep on
Yes,
giving
ma'am.
some extra questions. Keep writing the figures wherever required. I'll draw on the board. You will copy it. Otherwise, keep writing. Am I clearly audible to you?
Ma'am, we will write it in our
Yes.
school copy, school notebook.
Yes, yes, yes. Full copy.
Yes.
Put today's date, extra questions, write down and then note down. Am I clear?
And lines and angles, first chapter.
I will mix up
First section.
lines and angles, triangles, quadrilaterals.
Okay.
From all these 3 chapters, I'll mix up and give you. Intentionally, I'm mixing up whether you are able to do or not. I could not discuss directly with you. That is why I'm going to give you these questions. Are you ready to write?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear enough? You can listen me and write.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
Find the angle. How many will I give? You just tell me 10, 15, how many?
Yes, ma'am.
10 questions today?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And side by side, when you are writing the questions, if you feel you cannot do, just tell me immediately. I'll give you the hint or I'll help you. So that while solving, it will be easy for you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down. Find the angle which is half of its complement. Use unknown variable x and then put it into a equation and then solve it. Find the
And
angle,
half of it?
half of its complement.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question? Actually, it is not clear.
Am I audible now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Find
Yes,
the
ma'am.
angle which is half of its complement. Do one thing. I'm dictating you now. Afterwards, whatever I'm giving you, I will be writing, and with the help of WhatsApp group, I will send it to you. Okay? If
Yes,
any
ma'am.
mistake there, you can
Yes,
rectify it.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear
ma'am.
that much?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, fine. Find the angle. Next question, number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready, children?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the angle which is 1/5. Find the angle which is 1/5 of its supplement.
Yes,
Over.
Yes,
Number
ma'am.
3.
Ma'am, 1/5 after.
Of its
1/5 of its supplement. Number 3. Two supplementary angles, or I will write side by side. Tell me. Will I write on the board?
No, ma'am, not needed.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, not needed.
That means I'm clear enough to write the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Two supplementary angles differ by 30 degree.
Ma'am, what?
Same thing for all these questions. You will take unknown variable. If it is complementary, one will be x, other will be 90 minus x. If it is supplementary, one will be x, other one will be 180
180
minus.
minus.
And then the relation in the question, whatever explained to you, frame the equation. I hope it is clear enough to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. These are very easy.
Number 3. If you want, I can write it on the board eventually. Whichever easy for
No,
you.
ma'am.
No, ma'am, we can clearly hear you. No, ma'am.
Okay. Two supplementary angles differ by 30 degree. Over.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the angles. Now I will be giving some questions without figure, which you have to draw and then to put the value and understand.
Yes, ma'am.
In triangle ABC, angle C equals to angle A.
Please, can you repeat?
Comma, AC minus AB.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you
AC.
repeat the question?
AC minus
Ma'am.
AB.
Excuse me, ma'am. Please, can you repeat the question?
In triangle ABC, angle C equals to angle A. AC minus AB equals to 3 cm. And its perimeter is 15 centimeter. Find the length of side AC. It's an interesting question, children.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, find the length of
Side AC.
yes, ma'am.
Next question. Find the angle which is twice its supplement.
Sorry, ma'am.
Find the angle which is twice its supplement. Next question. This is number 6, I hope.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the angle
Yes, ma'am.
which exceeds
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
Which one?
Ma'am, ma'am, sixth one.
Okay. Find the angle which exceeds means more
Yes,
more
ma'am.
than the other
Yes,
angle,
ma'am.
which exceeds its complement by 30 degree. I'll be giving you some more questions. Just tell me, how will you frame the equation for this number 6? As I told you, one will be
Number
x, and
6.
one will be its on complement. Complementary angle means 90 minus x.
Ma'am,
90
90
degree.
degree.
90 minus.
Okay.
90
What will
minus.
be its equation? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Jigyasa, tell me.
Ma'am, the angle will keep the variable as x and the other
One
angle will
angle
be
is-
x plus.
One angle is x, the other angle is 90 minus x, right?
90 minus x.
Okay. Then, whenever you write 90 minus x, put it within the bracket. And
Then
then,
90 minus x plus 30 is equal to x.
it's fine,
Ma'am,
fine.
answering text, can I
No,
tell?
answer I don't need. I just
Ma'am,
want the equation, whether you are able to frame the equation or not. That's what I asked.
ma'am, can we write the equation as we'll keep the angle which we have to find as x and its complement as x plus 30 degree.
That even you can do? No. Anyway, the same answer
Yes,
is
ma'am.
going to come.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Why I am asking you
90
in
minus
between,
x is equal to.
I should interact so that I will able to know whether you are rightly following or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is why while writing the question, somewhere you feel difficulty, immediately share with me. Now number 7. Find the angle whose supplement is 6 times its complement.
Whose supplement is?
6 times its complement. Now before I go to number 7, any one of you read out the first question. Let me just listen to you whether rightly writing the question or not.
Find the angle
Ma'am,
which is
find
half
the
of its
angle which is
complement.
half of
Angle which
its
is half of
complement.
No, 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 one
Number
at a
2,
time.
find the
Yes, any one of you. Only
Find
unmute
the
and-
angle. Find the angle which is half of its complement.
Fine. Now you mute.
Find.
The other child will be reading. Number 2.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, find the angle which is 1/5 of its supplement.
Fine. Next child, one more child. Third question.
Two supplementary angles differ by 30 degrees. Find the angles.
Fine. Other child, number 4.
In triangle ABC,
Angle C is equals to angle A. AC minus AB is equals to 3 cm and its perimeter is 15 centimeter. Find the length of side AC.
Fine. Next child, number 5.
Find the
Find the
angle
angle
which is
which
twice
is
of
twice
its
its complement.
Supplement.
supplement.
Yes. Now the next.
Find the angle which exceeds its complement by 30 degrees.
Fine. Now 7th.
Find the angle whose
Find the angle
supplement
whose
is 6
supplement
times
is
its
6
complement.
times its complement.
Very good. Go to number 8 now. If
Yes,
two
ma'am.
parallel lines,
Ma'am?
if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal,
Ma'am,
Intersect.
If
ma'am, after R, what you said?
intersected by a transversal. Prove that. Okay. If two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, over.
Yes, ma'am.
Prove that the bisectors of the interior angles,
And bisector of.
yes,
Bisector.
bisectors, that means of two angles you have to find the bisector. So write down bisectors, S you have to join there. Of the interior angles on the same side of transversal intersect each other at right angles. Will I draw it, or you will able to draw and understand the
Ma'am, you
question?
will able to draw it.
You will able to draw it, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So full question, once I'm reading out, just check whether written correctly or not, okay? Without
ma'am.
giving any gap in between. If two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, prove that the bisectors of the interior angles on the same side of transversal intersect each other at right angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number 9. The degree measure of three angles.
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
The degree measure of three angles of a triangle are X, Y, and Z. The degree measure of three angles of a triangle are X, Y, and Z. Over.
Yes, ma'am.
If
Yes, ma'am.
angle Z equals to angle X plus angle Y by 2, that means X plus Y within bracket whole divided by 2. Understood, or I'll write it?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, understood.
Okay, then find the measure of angle X, Y, and Z if I will not give here any condition, you cannot find out the angles. So I
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be giving you the condition here, what to be applied. If X is to Y,
Ma'am, X is to Y.
yes, equals to 5:7. Otherwise, you can only find out angle Z. You cannot find out XY. Okay.
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, is X is to Y equal to
5:7.
5:7?
Yes. Over.
Yes.
Now one more 10th question I'll give you.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the measure of an angle.
Good. Yes, ma'am.
Find the measure of an angle if 8 times
If
8 times 8 if 8 times its complement is 20 degree less than 3 times its supplement. One question only will I give from quadrilateral,
yeah, ma'am.
or we will stop it here and I will like to discuss about some more questions from the other chapters which is already over. Those days we are not having direct connection with each other.
Ma'am, from other chapters we can discuss.
No, from NCERT book, that triangle one,
Yes, ma'am.
equidistant from the point. Have you done it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, then it's okay. Will I give you some questions on quadrilateral now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. How many? How many can you do? Tell me so that accordingly I can decide. I have already given you 10. How many extra will I give you?
Ma'am, 4 to 5.
4 to 5. 15 enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ABC is a triangle. D is a point.
Ma'am, D.
D for Delhi. ABC is a triangle, comma. D is a point on AB such that AD equals to AB by 4.
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
Sure. ABC is a triangle. D is a point on AB such that AD equals to AB by 4. Will we proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Up to this much over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. And E is a point on AC.
Ma'am, and P.
And E is a point on AC such that AE equals to 1/4 AC. Prove that DE equals to 1/4 BC.
Ma'am, DE equals to 1/4 BC.
Yes. You have to use midpoint theorem here. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. P is the point. Next question. This is number 12, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
P is the point. P is the midpoint of, sorry. P is the midpoint of the side CD of a parallelogram ABCD. Full stop. A line through C parallel to PA intersects AB
Ma'am, parallel to
PA intersects AB at Q.
Ma'am, please question.
I'm not audible to you.
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, please repeat the question up to her. Ma'am, please repeat question to her.
Okay, from the beginning, I'm calling out again. P is the midpoint of the side
Yes, ma'am.
CD of a parallelogram ABCD. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
don't worry. I will write it and send you.
yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
That is why I said, will I write on the board? You said, no, no problem. I'll write and through WhatsApp, I will send it. Is that okay? Somewhere, if you are missing, you can check it. You can rectify your question. A line through C parallel to PA. Very carefully, you have to draw the figure and then only you will be able to prove. Otherwise, it will go wrong. Intentionally, I'm not giving you the figure. I want to make you expert in each and every chapter what you have already covered. Followed? A line through C parallel to PA intersects AB at Q and DA produced at R. And DA produced at R. Prove that.
This is the homework.
Yes.
Yes.
Today you will be not doing any question from your reference book. You will only complete this 15 which I am giving you.
Yes, ma'am.
Prove that DA equals to AR plus AR and CQ equals to QR.
Come again.
Prove that DA equals to AR and CQ equals to QR.
Ma'am, QR.
Yes. Any one of you read out the full question? Last one, some confusion was there for somebody. Yes. Yes, Chalan. Any one of you?
P is the midpoint of the side CD of a parallelogram ABCD. A line through C parallel to PA intersects AB at Q and DA produced at R. Prove that DA equal to AR and CQ equal to QR.
Perfect, perfect, Chalan. Now now time is getting up. If anything you want to share with me, anything to ask, do ask me right now, or what will we do? We'll clear our doubts through WhatsApp.
Yes.